I love the fact that at Karshner it's the neighborhood school. So the thing that excites me is if you've gone there as a student, your children go there. I love everything about working here, and I don't know that I could always say that about everywhere that I've worked. You know, my hope is that all kids are able to get an education that makes them feel like when they move on to the next level, whatever it is in their life or in the future, that education has allowed them to build a sustainable future for themselves and for their families. You know, people always say the world is watching. Well, our kids are watching, and they are the world, because they're gonna be out here in a few years actually affecting change in the world. And so it starts with us as an administrator, as a teacher. Have I given them that passion and fire and drive to get out here, and when the going gets tough or whatever it is that life hands them, are they ready and prepared to be able to give the very best of themselves? And that's what I want for my kids on a daily basis. That's what I want for my own kid, is for him to always see the potential and to always see the good in the world, to be able to provide what it is that they give and what their natural talents and gifts are, so that they are able to get out here and make a difference in the world the same way that we make a difference every day for them. I'm Lashawnda Baldwin, and that's my point of view.